Students, welcome back to another video. Today we'll discuss about relation between KP and KX. Welcome back to HS classes. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Today will be discuss about relation between KP and KC. Okay, so in the previous video we have discussed about thermodynamic derivation of a chemical equilibrium, in which we found the value of Kp, Kc and Kx. Now we will going to discuss about the relation between the three terms Kp, Kc and Kx. So firstly we have discussed about relation between Kp and Kx. So let us consider an equation: small a capital A, small b capital B plus a capital dot equilibrium small m capital M plus small n capital N, and we will take this as equation 1. All things are in the gaseous state. Okay, so further we know, as per the previous topic, thermodynamic derivation of a chemical equilibrium, Kp is equal to P capital M to the power small m, P capital N to the power small n, divided by P capital A to the power A into P capital B to the power B. Further we know Kp is equal to Pm to the power N, Pn to the power N, Pa to the power A, Pb to the B. Further, as per ideal gas equation, what is ideal gas equation? Further, as per ideal gas equation, PIV is equal to Ni at T. P is equal to Nat, so PIV is equal to Ni at T. If we take the V into the right hand side, Pi is equal to Ni by V into RT. This implies that what is Ni by V? Ni V is equal to C, number of molecule by V is equal to Ci. This implies that Pi is equal to Ci RT. N by V is equal to C, so Ni by V is equal to Ci. So Pi is equal to Ci RT. Will take it as equation 3 when I is equal to A, B, M and N component. We have to find the I for all A, B, M, N components. So Pa is equal to CRT, Pb is equal to CBRT, Pm is equal to CMRT and Pn is equal to CNRT. We'll take it as equation 4. Now we have found Pa, Pb, Pm and Pn. Putting equation 4 in equation 2, we'll put the value of Pa, Pb and Pn in the equation 2. Now putting equation 4 in equation 2, Kp is equal to Cm RT to the power M into Cn RT to the power N, divided by Ca RT to the power A into Cb RT to the power B. This is equal to Cm to the power M. I am writing it with separating Cm to the power N, Cn to the power N, Cn to the power N, divided by Ca to the power A, Ca to the power A, Cb to the power B, Cb to the power B into RT to the power M. This is RT to the power M into RT to the power N, divided by RT to the power A into RT to the power B. We know Cm to the power M, Cn to the power N is equal to Kc. cm to the power m by cn to the power n is equal to k cm to the power n by ca to the power n into cb to the power b is equal to kc. Now kc into rt a to the power b into a to the power b into a to the power c is called a to the power b plus c. Further, a to the power b plus c by a to the power b minus c is called a to the power b plus c minus a minus b. So this is equal to rt to the power m plus n minus a plus b. Okay, we'll take as rt to the power del n. So kp is equal to kc into rt to the power del n. So this is the relation between kp and kc. So student, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for these new videos. I think so that you will understood all the things. In the next class we will discuss about the relation between both kp and kx and kc and kx, and in the further we will topic more topics. So please students, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you.